Sawasdee Ka. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Naturioso. Today, we're diving into the exotic and enchanting world of Thailand, a country known for its breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and the warm smiles of its people. Whether you're a seasoned traveler, a curious culture enthusiast, or just planning your next vacation, you're in for a treat as we explore some of the most fascinating fun facts about Thailand. Did you know that Thailand is home to the world's smallest mammal? Or that you can celebrate the new year with a massive water fight? Get ready to uncover these and many more incredible facts that make Thailand a truly unique destination. So, make sure to stick around, hit that like button, and subscribe if you haven't already. Now, let's get started and dive into the top 10 amazing fun facts about Thailand that will surely surprise you. Let's go. Number 1. Land of Smiles. Thailand is often called the Land of Smiles because the people are famously friendly, and smiles have been integrated into various aspects of Thai culture, including greetings. Number 2. The Thai New Year, Songkran. The Thai New Year is celebrated in April with a nationwide water fight. It's a fun and wet way to welcome the new year, traditionally meant for cleansing and renewal. Number 3. World's smallest mammal. The bumblebee bat, also known as Kitty's hog-nosed bat, found in Thailand, is considered the world's smallest mammal. It's about the size of a large bumblebee. Number 4. A haven for orchids. Thailand is one of the world's largest exporters of orchids. The tropical climate makes it an ideal place for growing thousands of orchid species. Number 5. Monarchy and spirit houses. Thailand is a constitutional monarchy, and reverence for the monarchy is deeply ingrained in Thai culture. Additionally, most Thai homes and buildings have spirit houses, small shrines built outside to bring good luck and protect the spirits. Number 6. Exotic street food. Thai cuisine is globally famous, especially its street food. From pad Thai to spicy soups and sweet desserts, the variety is vast and often very affordable. Number 7. Unique script. The Thai language uses a script that evolved from the Khmer script. It is known for its complex characters and beautiful, flowing writing. Number 8. Historical sites. Thailand has rich historical sites, including the ancient city of Ayutthaya and the historic town of Sukhothai, both UNESCO World Heritage Sites, showcasing ruins that reflect the country's past dynasties and civilizations. Number 9. The King's Anthem. Before movies in Thailand, everyone stands to pay respect to the king while the King's Anthem is played. Number 10. Floating markets. Thailand is famous for its floating markets, where goods are sold from boats. The Dam Non Saduak floating market is one of the most famous and picturesque. And there you have it, some truly incredible facts that showcase just how fascinating Thailand is. From the world's smallest mammal to the lively and vibrant celebrations of Songkran, this country never ceases to amaze. Whether you're drawn to its stunning natural beauty, rich history, or the warmth of its people, Thailand has something special for everyone. I hope you enjoyed discovering these fun facts as much as I enjoyed sharing them with you. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Have you visited Thailand, or is it on your bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences or your travel dreams. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Sawasdee Krub.